Hello dear viewers and all people who watch this video. Today I will tell you more information about crochet oversized clothes. When I tell you words oversized clothes, you probably imagine the product made with knitting needles. And also you can crochet such model in different techniques. At the words oversized clothes, we dream about warm, cozy and comfortable big knitwear clothes. And today I would like to destroy stereotype and I will tell you about lacy colorful clothes made with crochet hook by my studio. They are other models that you can call oversized clothes. I will focus on 3 highlight moments. The first one is the technique. The second is the features of making model. The last part is how you can wear. I stop on every model and I will tell you all details and features in specific model. I will begin from techniques. I begin from model made in Irish or Guipure laces. Here how the butterflies look like. In this case I used 2 or 3 colors. How to crochet such butterflies you can find in the description below the video. Here how the crochet oversized look like. This is the back side. Following the video tutorial you can make the same butterflies. Then we showed you how to use such piece of work. For this tunic oversize I used 4 butterflies in different sizes. As you can see, this model doesn't have the front and the back sides, so you can wear it as you want. And it is made of cotton yarn of different. The bright tunic can be perfect for every day. For this one I use 2 kinds of yarn. The next one is summer oversized blouse with flowers. These lily flowers made in Irish lace technique. The link how to crochet such flowers can be found in the description below the video. And now you can see the next example. For the summer blouse was made 2 projects. These 2 projects was located differently in the model. Now let's look at the first one. It doesn't have the front and the back sides, so you can wear it as you want. Now let's look at the picture. This is adorable viola flower project made in Irish lace technique. The link how to crochet such project you can find in the description. The first one is crocheted in classic style, and for the second example, a master used dark colors in the Irish project with light mesh. Continue, there is delicate flower on the picture. One part of the Irish project consists of flower and the second of the floral motifs. The link how to crochet such projects you can see in the description of this video. To create the oversized tunic, I used green yarn for the mesh and light color with beads in the bottom part. As you notice, I wore this one with white lining or with black one. Let's look at the tunic. It is made of crochet motifs that call Paisley. How to crochet such Paisley you can find in the description of this video. And to join all motifs I used freeform technique. So as you can see, this model consists of some techniques such as Irish and freeform. For this oversized blouse I used separate motifs and mesh crocheting with big size of crochet hook. Then I would show you some works in crochet lacy freeform. It is only copyright work, but it is also author's direction in crocheting. I will make the whole video on this topic. And also we have got many tutorials in freeform, and we're adding more videos in this technique. In these step-by-step video tutorials was showed you how to crochet scrambles and join them together in large piece of work. And now I am showing you some works in lacy freeform. In this case I used variegated yarn, so this is very bright, colorful and interesting, unusual tunic. It doesn't have front and back side, so you can wear it as you want. Then oversizes were made in aran crochet, and my collection consists of creative and lacy clothes. In this case I used front post and back post different tall stitches. Next technique is hairpin lace. As you can see, some clothes made in this technique. Next one was made in Tenerife technique. Now you can see some examples on the photos. Let's look at the picture. This tunic consists of simple pattern. If you use different kinds of yarn, so your clothes will look in this way. Use different patterns. This model was made of cotton yarn using simple pattern. You can create your own oversized model. You just need to choose pattern and yarn. Use beads, seed beads. Don't be afraid to experiment. And the last technique is Bruges lace. Let's look at me. This is the white tunic. In this case was made with big motif, made in Bruges lace technique. That is in the middle. This model made of cotton yarn using simple pattern, made in Bruges lace technique. Now I would like to tell more about features of making oversizes. They are 3 features. First one is to make mesh or main swatch. The second one is to crochet trims, and the third one is location of project. While making the mesh, you should crochet loosely. People who like to crochet Irish or Guipure laces know that the mesh should be very tight. In this case, it should be the opposite. You need to crochet too loosely, and your swatch can be soft and sag. Your model can be made 50 or 60 centimeters or 70 centimeters in the width. In the trim should be the same. You have the white model and crochet trim too tight, then your edge will be stick out, which is not beautiful. Trim should be selected in accordance with your destiny of crocheting mesh or main swatch or your favorite pattern. It belongs to freeform. So if you have some space to crochet tiny, so the main swatch should be crochet loosely. For this one, I choose big crochet hook and variegated cotton yarn. In the Bruges lace, you should crochet the main lace loosely to be soft and comfortable for the person which will be wear the model. Now about location of the projects. You can see the variation of location in the tunics. When you work on such kind of model while crocheting the back and the front sides, you make both projects in the same by white. If one of the sides has bigger project than another one, so your side will be pulled and looks awful and not comfortable when wearing. And the next one is how wear oversizes. I think this is the universal kind of clothes. You can wear it with t-shirt and jeans, or with warm sweater and boots. And also it can be perfect for the party with heels. It depends where you will go and what do you like in wardrobe. As said before, many models don't have front and the back side, so you can wear all oversizes as you like or as you want. This is the end of the video. Thank you all people who watch me and crochet with me. And below the video you can find many links on playlists such as Bruges lace, Irish lace, freeform, trims, crochet flowers. Please experiment, create some projects with your own pattern. And thanks for watching.